Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add tick mark in PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first you need to open your document in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you will see a fill and sign tool from the right hand panel. And then you need to click on the A, that is the text, and click on the check mark. And now click anywhere on the document to place the tick mark. For example, I'll be click here. You can increase the check mark from clicking there, and here you can reduce it the size. Click on the change field type and you can make it cross if you want to, otherwise you can check mark. Moreover, you can resize or reposition it using the blue bounding box control. Here it is, like this one. So once you are happy with the tick mark placement, you need to click on this arrow, and now you can move this arrow anywhere on the Word document, like here. So once you are happy with the placement, then Control S to save the PDF. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add tick mark in PDF file. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.